A day in Emily's life. Today, Emily has work. She commutes to her office by taking the subway. During the ride, she reads a book or listens to music to pass the time. When she arrives at the office, she greets her colleagues with a cheerful, "Good morning, everyone." Emily's workday is busy. She attends meetings, answers emails, and collaborates with her team. During her lunch break, she orders a sandwich from a nearby cafe and eats it with her coworkers. They chat about their day and share some laughs. In the afternoon, Emily continues to work diligently. She finishes her tasks and sends out important reports to her manager. As the workday ends, she says goodbye to her colleagues and heads home.